Hey guys, what's going on? Cody from Matt Vapes Easily here. We got another video for you today to talk about thumbs down and tell us how we could have done it better. But we do have this this fit kit today from Smok. So the big deal on this is it's pretty much a cut carbon copy of the Juul. I mean, look at it.
Look at that. Just look at it.
Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. All right. So this is it. The big difference between this and the Juul, though, is you do have these pods where you can refill them. So they've got this little fill port right here. So you just pop that open, fill it up right there, and be good to go. Slot it back down in there. So this is just operated off of pulling on it. There's no button or anything like that. You've got a micro USB charger port in the bottom. I'll go ahead and read you the back of the box here. It says, when you rush to a friend's party, too late to pack things, when you lazily lied on the couch drinking whiskey and still felt something was lacking. What? Or when you were asked to make a choice that you could only carry one portable thing with you, what would you carry and choose? The answer is quite simple. Nothing is more appropriate to take along fit. Fit is the fittest. Ultra slim figure, small and exquisite, all-in-one design. Light and portable, plug and vape. Plug and charge, 2 air-driven pods, etc. Fit is born to be a gentle companion whose comfortable palate makes you almost forget its existence. Yet when you need it, Fit will satisfy your vaping demands at any moment. Innovation keeps changing in the vaping experience. Alright, so we had a customer walk in, but that's legitimately what the back says. I'll put that up right there and you can pause it and read it if you'd like. But that's crazy that it says that on there. When you lazily lied on the couch drinking whiskey and still felt something was lacking.
Bourbon.
I figured you were going to say your brain, but... Alright, well that's what I got for you. Pretty much what comes in the box is the device. You get 2 pods. It's very good with solid salt. That is what I would definitely recommend with it. It comes with this little fill bottle, so it's easy to get your juice in there. And then you also have this little charge cord, and then your literature. So if you have any questions about this device, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we will be sure to get back to you. Peace.